Mum, you holding that? It's on now. I just want you to video this while you just hold it. Okay, you ready to go? Have it. Okay. Which way you going? Ready? And ready, go! Did you see his little jump at the end? He's got the littlest jump at the end.
That's the only help you're getting from me.
It's a last, right at the very end, it's a little step up. You ready to go? Ooh, look at this wind.
Yes, that's why I put my jacket on.
Luckily I put this singlet on, I thought it was going to be hot. Yeah, alright. I got money too. How's it going? Looks like someone's got a new bike. Eyes blue and Cranky Joe's Ugly Dumpling. Stone's Throw. Ah, rightio. We'll go ahead and park our car down, park our bicycle down here. Micky. Oh, you pee, talk. In the back here. There we go. Micky. Have it. I don't care. Up to you.
It's a loaf.
Which one is it? Breakfast?
Well,
oh, handmade.
Why don't you have
fig?
the prawn omelette?
No, I don't want that. No, not for breakfast. No, you have it.
You can have a Stone's breakfast. What's a Stone? A free? Oh, your eggs.
Micky's sitting down here now. He's lying down.
Yeah.
Nice place. Glad we come.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the veggie garden.
Micky. Micky. There's that one. So that one, take a photo of that one. Alright. Micky. Micky, what's that? He's so funny.
That's alright.
Don't like it? What did you order me here? Avocado and... I thought I ordered the loaf or whatever it was.
That's what it is, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, you might be right.
It's
Yeah.
the loaf. It's the bread.
There we go. Is it called dumplings and coffee? Nah, yeah. Or is it Cranky Joe's Ugly Dumplings?
Cranky Joe's Ugly Dumplings.
Which one is it? Is it the same place? What's this? Baby stuff?
No.
Oh, it's in here. This is the place here.
Yeah, this is right.
Oh, you can sit out here as well. What was the name of that place? Stone's Throw. We just had lunch down at Stone's Throw. Micky was well behaved. We're just having a bit of a, doing a bit of an exploration here. Looks down in here. Someone's left their shoes on the road. You left your shoes here, Mum.
My size.
Not your size. That is a new bridge there, a brand new bridge. A bit nervous because she thinks it's going to lead into I don't know where. But there's definitely a trail here. Oh, look at these flowers on this thing.
Oh, that's a Poinciana.
Poinciana.
Oh, no.
Slow down, Mum. There's no race.
No, it's a tulip. Sorry,
Tulip. Just as well you said that, I was going to look it up too,
tulip.
just to make sure. Look at this, there's a trail here, look down inside there, look. It's like a dam, look. Like a weir.
I wonder where that goes.
Yeah. Grab that golf ball. Throw it in your basket. This is the only way you... I wonder if there's a bridge here now. More. Yeah. Yep. How was that, Mum?
Lovely. I'm so surprised at the places we've been this morning.
When we stayed close by too. Colin's still out.